Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one counter over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 30-minute and focusing on today on this current structure that we're having, as it offers some local possibilities for another trade setup. Here I have different setups here. This is the main one that I'm going to be presenting to you today. In higher time frame, again, this is the B wave up top, and then we would be looking for C wave to come down. Now at the very moment, I've labeled this as a 5-way move in here into an one wave, and then 3-way pullback into into wave 2. So again, 1-2 setup. Currently, what I'm looking here is another possibility for a wave 1 and then 2. We do have that divergence at the end. And on lower time frames, I feel like we could be putting the wave 3 all the way up here, and then this would be an extended 5th. It is not the best looking for sure, but yeah, that is a possibility as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then 3, 4, and 5. And that's how I would be labeling that if I wanted to create this into a 5-way structure here. Now at that point again, we do have those divergences supporting this idea pretty well. Currently what I would be looking for is this pullback up higher. We do have a daily level here at around 23,840 something, and also that 0.5 retracement with a order block here, which would definitely offer some kind of trade setup for sure if we are getting there. However, we need to be careful because we have this fair value gap here in which we don't have a lot of resistance, especially this area here. If we are getting up to the $24,056 area, this definitely can just pick up because there's just nothing here basically. So that is an area of where we need to be careful if we want to be looking for shorts. Now, if my higher time frame assumptions are turning out to be wrong, and this is not a B wave, and instead this could be an X wave or something, I could be looking this as an A wave instead of a wave 1. Then this would be a wave B, and then this would be like wave C. At the moment we have extended to the minimum extension of 0.618, extension of this first, second to third leg, so it is valid already. However, that doesn't support my higher time frame count, so that's why I'm leaning more towards downside. At the moment, depending on how high the RSI gets here, if we are getting back to this area here, then we could be looking at if it takes out this previous high and see if that is higher. If it is higher, then there is a possibility that this is done here and we are creating either a 3-way move up, or this is turning out some kind of impulsive structure here. We could possibly have a diagonal. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. But yeah, we'll see about that in RSI, giving us some clues of the future as well. Now, where am I looking at these prices to go to? Well, at the moment, for this higher time frame structure of 1-2, we're the target all the way at 21.9k. That is very bearish, and now is going to be even more bearish as we are creating this very large 1-2 here. Of course, it is not larger than the previous or higher time frame 1-2, but again, if we are just looking at these targets and placing them where our expected pivot points would be around that 0.5, we would be looking at around 21.7k area, and that would be only for the third wave. At that point, we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this would be 3 of this structure here, 3, 4, and 5. At that point, we would be very close already to these lows that we have here, and I feel like I might need to reconsider this counter bit if that is going to be happening, because that much of retracement is quite a lot. So yeah, I'm still thinking that we are missing a partner leg for this one. However, if we are getting that extension here, then I would be a bit more worried about holding this current lows that we have here. But there's enough time for us to talk about that in the next videos about that for sure. So I would be just worrying about this possibility here. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.